Have you ever noticed streaks while driving? It may be your wipers. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to change them easily. The end goal is to have clear visibility in any weather. First, gather your new wiper blades. Make sure they are the right size for your vehicle. Next, lift the wiper arm. This exposes the wiper blade. Then, look for the release tab. Press it to remove the old blade. Now, take your new wiper. Align it with the arm. Slide it into place until you hear a click. Lower the wiper arm carefully back to the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Always ensure both blades are correctly positioned. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your windshield wipers. Remember, good visibility is essential for safe driving. Don't forget to check your wipers regularly for wear. Now that you know how, it's time to do it yourself.